guys, it's Stagiaire. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a part 2 of me recreating my favorite candies, or doing my makeup based off of my favorite candy. And in today's episode, we're going to be doing Ferrero Rocher. These are like maybe one of my all-time favorites. Like I think it might be above like Sour Patch Kid watermelons. Like these are just so good. They make you feel so like, you don't know, the first time I seen these I got like Matilda vibes. You know how like when there's like that box of chocolates that she gets like the chocolate out of, like I don't know, I just got very Matilda vibes. So yeah, today we are going to be doing Ferrero Rocher. And like in the previous video, also if you guys haven't seen my previous video, I am doing my makeup based off of Sour Patch Kids watermelon. But just like that video, I also drew up a little face chart of how I want kind of my makeup to go. I drew this and everything, so like I was just looking at the Ferrero Rocher, or looking at a picture of them, looking at them in front of me, and just kind of trying to recreate what I kind of feel like the vibe of it is. And I kind of feel like this face chart represents it. So yeah, we're going to be doing this makeup. So makeup based off of another one of my favorite candies, which is Ferrero Rocher. So I guess if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. By the way, oh my god, you can smell it already. This is what it looks like. It's like it has gold foil wrapper on the little chocolate ball, and then a brown wrapper and two little gold squiggly lines. I'm just explaining it so you guys can like put two and two together, what I did on the face chart and kind of like this. So I'm gonna do like a brown smoky eye with the two lines in the crease, and then I'm gonna put gold glitter on my inner corner, kind of to signify this. Even though most of it is gold, I kind of want it to be brown and like signify the lines. Like it's like half and half. I might put some more gold, like maybe I'll do like more than my inner corner. Maybe I'll do like a little bit on the lid as well. If you guys don't know what Ferrero Rocher are, what a Ferrero Rocher is, whatever. If you guys don't know what these are, they are basically, it's a ball of a wafer cookie, and then on the outside it's chocolate and peanuts, and then on the inside on a hazelnut spread, and then a hazelnut on the inside. These are so freaking decadent and delicious. So yeah, that's what it is. So now let's get to it. I'm gonna prime my eyes, and then we'll get to it. Like again, like in the previous video, I'll zoom in so you guys can see the eyes and everything, since that's kind of like the main purpose of this video. So yeah, another good look at it. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, so my eyes are primed, so let me just, so for the brown, I am going to be using the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I was kind of like looking through my palettes, and it was very hard to find a brown that wasn't like had a red undertone in the palettes that I have anyways. So yeah, it was kind of hard to find a brown in my collection that wasn't kind of like a red undertone. So we're just going to take the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to start off by using Yode. I'm really bad with the names. And start off by on a Morphe 330 brush, and start off by blending that in the crease very lightly. You want to go very lightly because look, we didn't set the concealer under it, and you don't want to like move the concealer. So now I'm going to pull out an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to pull out the Lorac Gold palette, and I'm going to take Unwind. I'm going to get that light brown color and put that into the crease. I just feel like I remember this palette being like the brown being a little bit on the cooler tone. So if I mix the two, I feel like it'll kind of give me the brown that I'm going for, because a lot of the browns in the Warrior palette are, like I said, have that red undertone. And this kind of does, but it's more of like that rich brown color. So we're kind of going for more of like this. And now I'm going to take Unedited very lightly, because this palette is very pressed, like it's not pressed very firm, so like the shadows are like have a lot of kickback. So I'm gonna take that and put that into the crease. I'm also like tapping it on my wrist because it's super pigmented, like I was saying, so I don't want it to be too intense. I remember me and my sister were obsessed with this palette because the gold in this palette, Unleashed, look at this. I'm gonna put it here. Look at that. Unleashed is fire, and I think that's what we're going to be using for the lines on the lid. But I did not go near these mattes because I was not as good. I mean, not saying I'm great at blending now, but I definitely was more afraid to like take risk and stuff. So, and I didn't really want to do this with my shadows because I felt like it was wasting, so I didn't touch the mattes in this palette. But like they're so pretty and soft once you actually use them. Like unwind and put that on the lid. So I just went off camera and did my foundation just because I wanted to do all that stuff before I did the gold little lines on my lid, just because I didn't want it to like smear possibly from like the setting spray and stuff. So I'm gonna use the CC Beauty palette. Okay, so I did the lines, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys could see me doing them because I had to be like really close, and I'm probably gonna go over it another time just so it's super like pigmented. I'm gonna do my under eye really quickly before I do my inner corner. So I'm just gonna take the Warrior 2 palette and put it. Okay, now I'm gonna take a small flat brush and I'm gonna take Unlimited from the palette. Cute. And now I think I'm gonna add just some gems just to make it like even cuter, you know, just because y'all know how I do or whatever. And then I'm gonna put on some lashes. I don't know where I'm gonna put the gems because they're pretty much just like gold ones, so I might put them here or like somewhere on here, maybe a few on the line, just to like jazz it up a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna put on lashes and then I'll come back with the finished look. Okay, so I'm finished with the eye look. I think it looks so cute. I feel like it's so like, I added gems by the way, just like a few places on lines. I'll show you guys that once I do the close-up, but I think it looks super cute, and I think it like looks like this pretty well, like the lines and all the gold and everything. So yeah, I'll do a close-up like I said. I feel like this looks really cute, and I feel like it matches the Ferrero Rocher very well. So yeah, I definitely will be doing this video idea some more. Like I think it's super fun just to like try to recreate, I said this in my previous video, like your favorite candies and all that stuff. And like I'm doing this because like Easter is on Sunday and lots of people get like Easter baskets for Easter and stuff, but maybe I can do it for Christmas as well, because you know you get like stockings and candies and this stockings and all that good stuff. But yeah, so this is the finished Ferrero Rocher look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, you can watch my previous video. It'll be linked down below. Like I said in the beginning, I recreated Sour Patch Kids watermelon or watermelon Sour Patch Kids, and that was really fun too. That one's more colorful obviously, and this one's like, I'm not gonna say neutral because I put gems and gold, but it's definitely more like earth tones. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, or if you just want to like support me and all that good stuff, you can follow me on all my other social medias. Yeah, all that good stuff will be in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you guys haven't tried Ferrero Rocher, like try them. They're literally like delicious. Unless you don't like hazelnut, then you probably won't like this, but these Johns hit different.